and from Pixelated. Pixelated is a creative development studio. We specialize in game development. Problems with game development are traditional game studios will usually focus on one product per system life development cycle to produce an IP. What is different in Pixelated is we are agile. We develop a single IP, then branch it for multiple products. We can adapt to current trends to capitalize the available demand. With our current IP, we can explore different technologies such as NFT and edutainment. Three factors in our business model are: first, we focus on mobile platforms. Why mobile platform? It is because of the portability, affordability, and accessibility, making gaming anywhere and everywhere is possible. Second is a freemium, where we go for a bait and hook model. We allow players to play the game for free, but attract them with our third point of cultural content and localization. By having content, some items will be required to be purchased in-app or acquired by subscription or season pass. Rewarded ads also be introduced to allow longevity of the game in attracting new players. From newzoo.com, mobile game has the biggest market value of $81.5 billion, and APAC region has 1.615 billion gamers worldwide. We have identified Indonesia as the main target market because of the market size of estimated $1 billion and also because of the similar culture between Brunei and Indonesia. Being one of the few local game developers, we have small competition locally. For regional competition, it's very hard. However, we can compete in terms of political, geographical, and currency stability. And being in the center of Asia, all South Asia region is reachable within a 2-hour flight. Pixelated's founder has more than 10 years experience in IT and marketing. The team itself is made of multiple talented members with broad skill set. The team is proven after releasing several games in both App Store and Play Store, and its most successful game to date is Nasi Katok Please with 10,000 downloads total. Pixelated has been in discussion with several potential partners internationally, such as CINIC, a government agency in Sabah, to partner in animation development, and Memoti, an e-learning development partner from Luxembourg, collaboration in bringing the LMS platform into Brunei. Pixelated is running on a monthly operation expenses of $3,700 USD and looking for an investment of $250,000 for 30% of the company.
Greetings, we are from Rumine Corporation, a company that strives to innovate the world through XR. With Industrial Revolution 4.0, things will change at a fast pace. Every year, there will be new development technology and machinery that we need to use and adapt. However, most realize that they need to upgrade, retrain, and assess their skill to make relevant in this industry. Traditional training has been practiced for many centuries, but it's not feasible with our fast-moving industry. This is because it's expensive, equipment are complex, it can be time-consuming, and experts are difficult to find. Introducing XR platform. XR combines AR, VR, and MR. This allows users to be able to interact with virtual and real world seamlessly. XR support basic decision making, provide facility handover, provide virtual training for effective learning, and assess operation to data analysis. Our solution is low cost, time saving, accessible, and promote personalized learning. Now, you don't have to be in different places to learn hands-on skill. We are also content creator, software specialists, innovative, and validated by industry experts. We covered engineering, education, marketing, and tourism sector. Since we first started in 2020, we have achieved significant growth in our business. The market size, in reflection to the total population in Brunei, about 60,000 of them is our serviceable addressable market, which are the technician and the associate profession. For our first few years, we intend to target at least 3,000 of them as part of our market share. We have 3 business models: software as a service for cloud storage, marketplace for existing product, and customization for project. We offer 3 package plan: starter for beginner, standard for SME, and premium for stakeholders. We have 5 companies for our competitive analysis. Our main advantage is that we can cater more target market, able to reach out to more customers via collaboration, and to provide software and hardware development. For our financial projection, there is a very good year-on-year growth in terms of revenue. There is a significant spike in 2023 simply because we are adding more revenue stream as well as adding more products offering in our AR technology, thereby giving a very strong growth margin. This year, we will focus on our platform product, then reach out for more collaboration, develop our R&D, and finally set up an academy for transdisciplinary understanding of technology, business, and society. Our team have different skill set. These include training methodology, researcher, software development, technical analysis, and design content. We hope that you can join us in empowering others where we can work together in changing the way we learn and train to build a better future. Thank you.
The founder and CEO of Educourse, the Future Skill Accelerator. So in Indonesia, we face the problem. Current common education system in Indonesia is not enough and hasn't answered the future requirement. As you know from the fact, there's a huge gap between worker skill and also the industry needs. And also, we have higher unemployment rates come from professional school, high school, and also universities. So what is our solution? We provide and we create a solution to accelerate the quality of learning using STEAM education platform, which is supported by AI technology, artificial intelligence. Well, so here is the comparison between current common education system and also STEAM education. And this is our product. We have coding for kids, coding for teens, robotics team, and also English team. We also have work languages as a supported product. And here is the business model. We have subscription model, and the students can choose between asynchronous and also synchronous methods. Well, so as a target market, as you know that Indonesia has more than 50 million students in Indonesia, but as a adapter, we focus on the middle to upper class. And we also have B2B2C model. It means that we collaborate with the school with A accreditation as our partner. Well, here is our go-to-market strategy. We have our best channel. This is community strategy to grab the market. And here is the competitive advantage of Educourse. We are Educourse as the first organization in Indonesia who certified by STEM.org. And we also have our advanced technology using artificial intelligence as our speaking body and learning body. Well, so here is the founder and co-founder. I am Motiofixo Studio As a founder and CEO, I have experience in the global education startup in South Korea and also Indonesia. And also Mr. Permates, our CTO and president, he is our MVP Alibaba of 2020. And Mr. Supano Prawira, he has experience more than 14 years in the STEM industry. Well, so here is our advisors and also super teams. And here's our traction. So we just launched our website in June 2020, and until now, we have more than 15,000 students in Indonesia. Well, and do you know the retention rate is huge enough, about 80% of the retention rate. Well, so here is our competitions. So we won several competitions in national and international, and we selected as Indonesian delegates in South Korea and also Germany. Well, and here is the business roadmap. We believe that in June 2022, we will be the largest STEAM education platform in Indonesia. So here is our chance, and here is your chance to invest in us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Vanessa, the CCO and co-founder of PRIEDS Technology. Indonesia and Southeast Asia have entered the Industrial Era 4.0, where digital transformation is needed to elevate our economy. More than 60% of Indonesia's GDP is contributed by SMEs, 60 million of businesses. SMEs have problems with operational and cost efficiency. They spend so much time on manual process and thus cannot grow their business. Digitalization can help solve the problem, but more than 80% of them are still not digitized. Current solutions cannot solve the problem because they're expensive and do not cater to their needs, low range of services as well, which is why PRIEDS was born, your all-in-one business and technology solution. Our product is unique in the market for the end-to-end integration, modular, reliable, and multi-platform. We have helped hundreds of businesses, and they believe PRIEDS is the only smart solution that they need. Imagine with PRIEDS, we can make this complicated operational flow in businesses much easier and also simpler. That's why we launched our PRIEDS Lite, the ERP product that is catered for SMEs. We do not only simplify your business, we amplify it, combine with the IoT smart solution, and make the business automated. That's our PRIEDS Premium with ERP and IoT. We're smart ERP. We know our competition, but we have a unique selling point, which is the range of services and business model. And that's why we want to introduce you to our SME Hub, an environment where our customers, suppliers, and partners can connect, interact, and trade products and services, with more than 11,000 businesses already in our ecosystem. Our business model is unique as our product and services are sold by our sales partners and implemented by our implementation partners. That makes us lean, agile, and scalable. Our revenue model is subscription and implementation fee, and our potential massive revenue stream is the ads and transaction fee from our SME Hub. We have achieved massive growth over the past 2 years with averagely 3 times growth year on year, with up to 10 times upselling opportunities per client. We have a high retention rate with our implementation model and support. We're talking about more than 1 billion annual opportunities in Indonesia alone, not to mention Southeast Asia potential, and we are confident to achieve the projected growth in less than 10 years. Why? Well, our competitors took decades to build. We were established in less than 2 years and captured significant traction. All of them are because of our super team. Mark, Jewel, Reggie, and I are experienced and passionate about transforming businesses because through our experience in tech companies, we believe everyone deserves to have access to the right technology. We will scale our partners network, grow SME Hub, invest in AI, and eventually become the market leader of ERP and IoT product in Southeast Asia, which is why we need mentoring, partnerships, and funding around to hire powerful team and market acquisition. Businesses are the backbone of our economy. They can scale and create more impact with technology. So take part in digitizing more SMEs in Southeast Asia with PRIEDS. PRIEDS, your primary needs.
Hello everyone, my name is Mr. Sunikon. I am from SAS company Lao PDR, and today I'm going to teach you about SOVG, OA and GAP system. What is SOVG? As we have been to survey about 5 villages in Vientiane, capital of Laos, and we found some of farmer issue as the mainly we are focusing. Every farmer can plant for the vegetable, but they don't know exactly the market share and how to connect customer or food organizer to distribution their product. Every customer, as we have been to survey, we found some issue of they have no information about any of farmer product, and they cannot classify which product is OA or GAP product, or not just both, as they cannot find any information from food supplier. And other research we are doing for declaring and importing food of Laos. As we know, Lao are still importing vegetable food from Thailand or Vietnam. As we know, those food are still can grow and plant in our country. But why their products so popular? Because they have a good supplier and trust information. If we can respond about this issue, we can declare and importing vegetable food of Laos. This is our solution. As we know about of each farmer problem, so we building this system to serve the product. We have been to deal with farmer and how to be our supplier. How can customer accept their product? We are also responding about requirement of customer. Then we have exactly the market share of product for them. So we can give them about minimum market price guarantee. For the customer, as we have all vegetable foods information, so every time the customer have to buy our farmer product, then they can check where errors product from and how farmers plant and grow up the product. So the customer can trust and buy the product every time. So we are planning to declare and importing the vegetable food of Laos by system information. To declaring importing vegetable food of Laos, we are going to support all data to organization or government who want to developing food industry as we can do. For the market share, we are planning to distribution our farmer product to. The first must be a mini-mart store as our system member. The second one, we are planning to transaction our farmer product to hotel and restaurant. Final, we are support our product to shipping and online shopping. This is our logical and business model. So the first we have been to deal with agriculture producer, then we are transition the product to our warehouse, and then we are save all product data to our database, generate all product data to the QR code or source code, then bring out to web page and mobile application where the customer can check the supplier from product. Why us? Because we are having a healthy food. We are making a fresh seafood and we are guaranteeing GAP product and OA product. This is our profit. For the first year, we are planning to run about 5 members in Vientiane capital. We are expect an income about $20,000. And the next 5 years, we are planning to grow up $100,000. I'm focusing to answer all of your questions. Thank you for watching today.
Hello, saya Idris Nihat, CEO Motiofixo Studio Sdn Bhd. Umum mengetahui sejak pandemik COVID-19, industri hiburan tanah air terjejas dengan sangat teruk. Penggunaan platform digital adalah antara solusi yang perlu dimanfaatkan oleh penggiat seni tanah air. Mosh menawarkan sebuah platform digital di mana para peminat dapat mengikuti perkembangan, membeli cenderamata, persembahan dan konten dalam bentuk pay-per-view atau subscription daripada artis kegemaran mereka. Melalui Mosh, artis dapat menjana pendapatan tambahan dan berkongsi market bersama artis lain. Dari segi merchandise, mereka akan bekerjasama dengan jenama-jenama tempatan yang akan bertindak sebagai official merchandise partner. Secara tak langsung, ia juga membuka peluang perniagaan kepada jenama-jenama lokal yang terjejas teruk akibat COVID-19. Setiap artis yang terlibat akan diberikan website mereka sendiri di mana segala info tentang mereka ada di situ. Setiap ahli yang berdaftar akan dihidangkan dengan pelbagai konten dan juga program belt yang dihidangkan setiap hari. Peminat kini tidak perlu mencari di pelbagai social media page kerana di marketplace Mosh segalanya di sini dengan pilihan yang lebih banyak. Di Mosh, artis dapat menumpukan perhatian kepada perniagaan berbanding dengan laman sosial di mana ia adalah laman untuk mereka bersosial bersama peminat. Melalui website tersendiri, ini dapat membuka jalan mereka kepada pasaran antarabangsa melalui ejen-ejen persembahan dan event organizer di luar sana. Mengikut data dari IFPI, market digital music terutamanya dalam bentuk streaming semakin meningkat dari setahun ke setahun. Semoga di Mosh dapat membantu dan mengangkat kembali industri muzik Malaysia tanah air di mata dunia.
Hi everyone, my name is Mado. I'm the founder and CEO of EDKA Digital. In this challenge, we would like to participate with our newly launched solution, which is called Menus. In 2020, we made research upon the restaurant operation problems and we found out this 100% dining service shut down because of the COVID-19 pandemic, round order daily basics because of the employee shortage, lead time taking down for the correct order confirmations. There's no data integration between third-party delivery service companies and restaurant POS. There's no ASICs for the contactless food ordering experience for both dining and delivery within one app across the world. Based on the problems, we create one solutions to solve the problems between restaurants and customers. Customers just need to install one application in the mobile phone and then they can make the orders for both dining and delivery across multiple restaurants around the world. For the restaurants, it's very simple. They just need to use our menus POS systems. It's 100% automated and 100% contactless. Since we are taking care of their operations, they can take care of their customers more. Mobile is for the customers, tablet and web is for the restaurants. There is no initial setup fee, but we will charge $15 as monthly subscription fees plus 1% of the total monthly sales as monthly transaction fees. We are not only charging from them, we are committed to give 2 times major average per year across all channels. For the customers, it's free to use. As a market size, there's $1.27 trillion in yearly market share. If we assume we will acquire 10% of the total market size, TAM will be 1.2 billion yearly. There is no competitor solutions in the market until now which can get both dining and delivery, including the direct digital payments. Internet blackout can cause restaurants to delay their operations. Competitors can also upgrade the solutions within 1 or 2 years like us or more than us. 2020 is our research and development years, but 2021 we launched it in Q4 and we projected 10 subscribers in Q4. For the 2022, we targeted to acquire 380 accounts in the end of 2022. In the 2023, we targeted to acquire 600 accounts around the world and API integration with third-party delivery services for one-stop data migrations. For the focus, 2021 is lost with around 10,000 USD, but we set profit on 2022 with around 50,000 USD. For the 2023 projection, it can be profit around 100,000 USD. These are our partners, payment partners, SMS gateway partners, and operation software partners. We start menus with 12 people. Now menus is in the market. It is available on both Google Play Store and Apple Store. You can download it and you can try it. We hope you will love it. Thanks.
Hello everyone, Minglawa. My name is Rumine, and I'm here. I would like to introduce about Myanmar Ahswe company. Firstly, I'm very glad and thank you for letting Myanmar Ahswe participate in this event. In here, before we start, I have a one-up question for everyone: that how we should fix this cable and the plug together. Of course, everyone knows about it, that the answer is adapter, which we charge together and make it things work. This is the example I want to give when we introducing of Myanmar Ahswe company. Myanmar Ahswe companies will be the adapter that connecting a business and a Myanmar blooming market, tries together for a better futures. The interesting about Myanmar Ahswe services is we are different with other companies due to that we provide the full inclusive package. Our business services included from the beginnings of our company registration, trademarks registrations, visa applications, from the whole process into a marketing service, including data analysis, that you don't have to travel along the way from your country to do a business in Myanmar. You can say that it's a branch office you are operating in here by taking our services here. We can also update you with the how Myanmar markets are ongoing and what do you need for your operation information, and arranging the meetings as well as the events arranging. This is where Myanmar Ahswe bring difference with the other local services. You get the whole packages, the whole business support from us, and we are ensuring that we will provide you with the fast-track, smooth-track services that you can bring our trust and bring success together. So, in case if you would like to know more about Myanmar Ahswe, I would like to invite you to the website of Myanmar Ahswe, www.myanmarahswenet.com. Thank you so much. Kamsahamnida.